friends, it's running kimono, and if we can ever get in focus, I'll tell you what's going on. So TJ Maxx has a sale twice a year. TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and Home Goods, I believe they're all the same company. And selected goods, they'll have it in certain aisles with this yellow sticker, very discounted. Of course, this is a really bad example, but for example, this little, it's a traveling tripod. I've seen these by influencers and they're like 40, 50 bucks, but like $1. For $1, I got a bunch of them. I thought that would make a really cool gift. These Ray Duns. Okay, so this is one item that's not really heavily discounted, but it depends what you're looking for, because I got this Ray Dun cookie jar for $1. So certain items, they put them in these aisles. You might have to look around the store a little bit. Lots of shoes, lots of summer stuff, lots of spring stuff. Really, really cheap. So I'm really delighted with what I got. I mean, it's just so much stuff, and all of this was $25. And what I did, guys, was I used a $25 IBOTTA gift card, and I just paid the tax. So really smart flip. And then I went over to Walmart to grab a couple things for supper. I wanted to repeat that Tampax deal because it's a little money maker at Walmart. And just to let you guys know something, they put a little timer of, it expires in 2 days. So I had to hustle on that one quickly, and I still got it for free. And then over here, for whatever reason, this Fun in the Sun stuff, they put out a little bit every day. So they don't put out the whole amount. Maybe they have so much in the back that they were like, we're just gonna put out 6 items a day. It's weird, but I still managed to get a lot of this stuff 90% off. And I'll share the UPCs if you'd like to see them and look them up on Brickseek. Weather report for you guys. Well, it's another hot one. It's about 95 degrees outside. It's just a hot one. Hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's staying cool. Okay, so over at TJ Maxx, and I'm gonna hit up a couple of these TJ Maxx. How this sale typically works, it's either in March or this time of the year, so it's twice a year. And they put these yellow stickers on items, and it's reduced to just clear them. The smartest way to do the sale is if you have a gift card through IBOTTA or one of the apps, use that money so you're really not opening up your wallet, and you can get like a whole table of stuff for 25 bucks. So the first item that I found was these Ray Dun, like they're like towels or hand towels. And there's 2 of them in each pack. And I thought these were so clean and cute looking. I always like white towels. See, the original price point was $10. It's 60% off at $4. So that's how I'm doing the math for that one. Also, this really cute Ray Dun quinoa. So it's like a little cookie jar. I'm just gonna leave the lid over here so I don't friggin' by accident, you know, I would probably break this before I even got to use it. But it's this beautiful font. And so this is a Ray Dun, and the original price point was $12.99. It's down to $1. So like 90% off would be $1.29, but it's $1. So this is a really big find. If you're into even flipping stuff on eBay or Amazon or whatever, this is definitely a sale you should be checking out. Or if you just wanted this as a, you know, like a little Christmas gift or something like that, somebody that likes quinoa or Ray Dun. They also had a cookie jar, but it was $4, and I'm like, you know what, this is, the price is right for this one, and I just thought it was a really, you know, cute. And these towels for $4, so stinking cute as well. Now this, I was talking about it earlier, I saw an influencer talking about this. So this is a mount that you put your cell phone on, and it could track you, you know, if you're like doing a voice chat with somebody or a FaceTime or something like that, wherever you're moving, so you do not have to hold your phone. So that's what this is, it's gonna track you. So you put your phone on this little tripod, and that's what it does. It works with Bluetooth. And yeah, these are originally, I tried to peel back the sticker. I paid $1, but I think they were $19.99. That was the original price point. And they had a bunch of, so these did not take off with the people that live in my town because nobody bought them. I still left a whole bunch at the store as well, so I didn't go too crazy with this, but I know enough people that would really want one of these. So I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna lose nothing by grabbing a couple of them. So I'm still trying to peel back the sticker, but I think it was like upwards of like $15.99 or $20. This is a newer product, and like for $1, yes. So I grabbed 7 of them all together. So yeah, I got a lot of those. And then this was also another terrific find. It's this company, it's called Cuba. And I think this is a line of Uggs. So this is part of their line. It's like a cheaper one. And it's a super cozy, almost like a Christmas gift like you would find at TJ Maxx. And the original price point for these, I think, were $15, and I got them for $1. Now I'll let you guys know something. I grabbed 6 of them, right? Some of them were tagged for $2, and these ones were all tagged for $1, and they were the same sizes. The ones I didn't get were the small, because the smalls were itty bitty, but I got the mediums and the larges, and I got a couple extra larges too. Really, really cute. 6 of them, you know, make really nice gifts as well. So if you can head out to TJ Maxx, typically when these yellow tags show up, the sale goes very, very quickly. Everybody and their grandmother will go and buy everything. So the time is now to go and buy a bunch of stuff when these tags show up. We're at Walmart. As I was saying earlier, lots of this stuff is just showing up on the shelf, and they're not putting it all out at the same time. So these little Spider-Man, it's like a boat. I think these originally were $14.97. I got them for $2 each, and I'll show you the UPC. Transparent mat. I guess you can use this as a raft. It's 5'6" long, so it's quite long. This was 50 cents. Tropical tube, also 50 cents. So it's just a big donut. So I got a couple of these, you know, I just thought it's really nice to have these sort of things, and whenever they're dirt cheap like this, I always like to stock up. So a really great find today. And the final item I got were the 2 Tampax. This is an IBOTTA deal, and I was talking about this in yesterday's video. So these guys are $3.83 each. So for 2 of them, it's 7 and some change. I had a 3 off of 2 from the August P&G. I had to pay $4.66 out of pocket, around there. I'm doing this off the top of my head. And then I got back $6 from Ibotta. So it made it a $1.34 moneymaker after everything is said and done. So I love free tampons, and I don't have any supers in my stockpile right now. So that is one thing I wanted to stock up on. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.